Alright guys, today I have a iPhone 6s Plus blown backlight, pretty much this half of it. So I found the blown filter, and we are going to get that soldered on here as soon as I help these customers. Let me pause this. Alright guys, back at it again. Okay, so here we'll see where am I? There you go. There it is. This one here is missing. That's the one that I took off because it's blown. It should look like this, like that one here. Need to place it between these 2 points here and here. So I'm going to take one off of a donor board that I have here. Exact same one. I've already taken off a few off of this one for other repairs. So we're going to take one of these off here. And then these 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are all the same. So let's use one of these. Let's heat this up and get it out of here. Yep. Just keep an eye on this, make sure to try to lose it. And we'll place it over here where it belongs. Be right with you. Set it down there. Let's pause this. Okay, back again. Now that we set it on top, we'll put a little bit of pressure, reheat it, and let it sit in its new logic board. Let's see. Ooh, these are sticky. Wow, here's one from the last time. Nice. Save that one for next time. Make sure we're still recording. Alright, where are my tweezers? My good tweezers. No. Oh well. Just use these again. Really don't like using, but got no choice. See? Blew it off already. It blew it away. Where are you? There it is. Okay, let's try it again. I'm just going to put some pressure on it, because then it's going to do the same thing as it did now. try this again, and still can't find my other tweezers. Alright, take this off and turn it on.